People die day and night, but still the passing of our loved ones is painful to one's heart. People are mad at now and then, but still our hearts are not getting used to it. The passing of Lerato Mokoena shook the hearts of family and friends. Her sorrowful passing shakes even those who are still hearted. Unfortunately, when schools reopen, some chairs will be empty, including hers. We weekly witness coffins being lowered, but still sincere bitter our hearts, knowing that we shall see them no more perpetually. It is not only the Mokoena family which lost the treasure. It is not only the Tembisa community which lost a future leader, nor only the Utimilo Secondary School which lost a kind representative, but beyond the entire Ekurhuleni, the whole human race lost a valuable gift, a treasure, Lerato, loved by me. Leaders, please sound a trumpet as a remedy for the dying, for compelled and bulldozed emotionally we are left. Rest in peace the spirit of our beloved sister, a classmate, a dear friend. You shall remain indomitable in the hearts of men. Your friends are not the only ones left emotionally paralyzed. Your classmates are not the only ones left emotionally tarnished, perplexed, but the entire atmosphere is left silently harassed, emotionally pulverized. Surely it shall be written in the books of history and marked on the calendar that a queen once visited South Africa, and her name is Lerato Tsieng Mokoena. Lerato, we will miss you. Your family loves you. We will always remember you until we meet in the next life, where we shall boldly say, Death, where is thy sting? Grave, where is your victory? Rest easily, we will always love you.